How to correct the white balance of an image inside Adobe Photoshop 2020. Okay, so I have the list here. So the first one is to create a new layer. So first of all, if the layers window, this one is not open, then go to window and layers to open it from there. So create a new layer with this plus sign here. That's for adjustment layer and that's for layer. We will use both of them. So plus sign to create a new layer, then fill that layer with a gray color. So either use the menu, edit and fill, or shift F5. Okay, and fill it with 50% gray and close it with OK. Now that one is filled. Now change the blending from normal to difference. So normal, instead of that choose difference. Now the threshold adjustment layer should be added from this circle. Click on that one and threshold adjustment layer. Okay, so now drag the threshold to 10. So on the properties window, window and properties, drag this slider so that we can see something to, let's say, a low value somewhere there around 10. Whatever. Okay, now with the eyedropper tool, eye is the hotkey, this one, hold down the shift key and then left click a black area. So with the tip of that eyedropper, select the black area and first of all hold down shift. So shift and there onto the black. And that adds a crosshair as is mentioned here. There. Okay, now hide the threshold and layer one with this eye. So threshold, uncheck and uncheck these two layers. Okay, and select the background layer and add the curves adjustment layer. So on the background, select from here the curves adjustment layer. Okay, and using the middle eyedropper out of these three, that one, as it's mentioned there, select that crosshair. You can even zoom in if you want, alt and scroll up and select the middle of that crosshair, and it's done. Okay, so Ctrl 0 zooms out, and by checking and unchecking these curves you can see the before and after. So before the color correction and after the color correction, the white balance adjustment.